Good morning, everyone. The sun is shining. It is time to wake up.
I am making breakfast. We are having pancakes today.
I smell something good. Is Dad cooking?
Yes, Mike. It smells like pancakes. Let's go downstairs.
Please sit down. Be careful, the plates are hot.
These look delicious. Can I have the syrup, please?
Here you go, son.
Huh?
Do not pour too much syrup.
Mom, do we have any plans for today?
It is Saturday. Actually, yes. Your father and I have a surprise for you.
A surprise? What is it? Tell us, please.
We are going on a picnic at the lake. We will leave in 1 hour.
That sounds wonderful. I love the lake.
But first, we have some chores to do. We cannot leave yet.
Oh no, I do not like chores. Do I have to clean?
If we work together, we can finish fast. Teamwork is important.
Okay, my room is very messy. I need to pick up my toys. I will put my cars in the red box. One by one.
I am making my bed. It looks much better now.
I am making my bed.
It looks much better now.
I need to pack the food. We need sandwiches and fruit.
I will bring the water and juice. It is hot outside today.
We are done. Our rooms are clean. Can we go now?
Wait, Mike. Put on your shoes. You are still wearing slippers. I am wearing my sneakers. They are good for walking.